During the autumn season of 2021, British Columbia saw multiple road washouts due to extensive flooding. The people of Metro Vancouver were cut off from the rest of BC. As a result, citizens were not able to travel and the normal flow of goods and services were interrupted, which in turn had a large negative effect on the economy. Logically then, there was a demand for a deployable temporary bridge to be used during future floods to ensure that traffic flow was not interrupted. To be viable, the bridge must be able to fit within the typical CCAN and support a sufficient load. ME-229 Group 4, otherwise known as the Four Musketeers, were tasked with the goal of designing and constructing a 1:20 scale model of the actual bridge. Various bridge structures were researched. Truss bridges, suspension bridges, and cable-stayed bridges were found to be fairly simple to construct and set up. From our research, several ideas were suggested. A scissor-action expandable bridge, Warren Truss bridge, and tension bridge were determined to be the top three alternatives. These three alternatives were compared in a weighted decision matrix, and it was determined that designing a tension bridge was the ideal route. The tension bridge we designed consisted of 4 flat road structure members, as well as 2 diagonal cables that would hold the shape of the bridge. Hinge connections would not only be strong, but also allow us to fold up the bridge accordion style to fit within the CCAN. Calculations on the tension in the cables were performed and tested. Additionally, several bending tests were performed on the road structure members. The 2-ply flat MDF members were laser cut and glued together. A week later, they were screwed together. Eyelet connections were also screwed into the members, and the fishing line was strung across the span of the bridge. The entire bridge was tested up to 6.7 kilograms, after which it was predicted to fail. This was in accordance with the required load of 5 kilograms and safety factor of 1.4 specified in the project description. Adjustments were made along the way, including upgrading the hinges to be wider and adding another 2 spans of fishing line. Overall, the end product behaved as predicted. It was quick and easy to deploy, lightweight and relatively cheap. The Four Musketeers were satisfied with the results.